gatagati-ini ka mateta maria manathi makoretwo makienda makinyanirio ni thirikari ni hamwe na wandikani wa manathi makiria thibitari-ini cia muingi, wira wa gutura kuri atungati a arwaru aria makoretwo mubango-ini wa UHC, gukinyanirio kwa ngirimiti iria maigwithaniirie na thirikari gatagati-ini ka mangi. Ona kuri uguo atongoria kiama-ini kia manathi ni marutite mukana wa kuigamira thi kungikinya thirikari ndikuonania wendi wa gukinyaniria mendekithia macio magikinyiriria ona thengia wa kuiguanira ati manathi aria makoretwo mubango-ini wa UHC ni mekuheo wira wa gutura meruhiirio kandarathi ndeto iria atongoria kiama-ini giki mareganite nayo.
I am not a liar. We are ready to walk this journey. We are ready to go on strike. We will not allow the government to generate a system of lying, making our leadership to lie to our members.
SRC being the body that seems to be causing the strikes in Kenya should not take more than 1 week without giving us a letter of no objection to the negotiated CBA for the nurses.
Mukana uyu ukite ihinda-ini riria arigitani hamwe na clinical officers makoretwo maigite mirothi na manathi nio makoretwo magitangikira arwaru thibitari-ini cia muingi ihinda-ini ria makiria ma thikũ 50 na mugomo wao ugucungiriria gukobobana makiria kwa motungata ma urigiti.
We as a union, we are capable of representing our members. We are capable of fighting for them. We are going to do it. We had only agreed to sit on the table, negotiate, and we have been comfortable with that.
Sekta ya ugima wa mwiri ni imwe ya sekta iria ikoretwo igumirwo ni mathina kihiri amwe na thengia wa miario ya mahinda kwa mahinda gatagati-ini ga ciama cia rigitani, ministry ya ugima wa mwiri hamwe na kanjo ya magavana gukorwo igitabanio gutire kihonia gia kunina mugomo gikinyaniirio.
If they want to keep our nurses and other UHC staff on 6-year contract, then they must pay them like commissioners.
We are not going to be ruled on illegalities. This illegality on UHC staff engagement must stop.
Ihinda-ini ria thikũ 53 arwaru aria matari na uhoti wa gwikinyia thibitari-ini cia andu kiumbe makoretwo na ihinda iritu kumana na wagi wa arigitani aria mehokeirwo kumatungatira thibitari-ini cia muingi. Muhoko wao ari ndugamano iria ihandite ni gwetherwo kihonia kia naihenya na gia gutura. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.